Cars come with their door locking systems, but that's not enough to stop a thief. But having a car alarm can improve the security of your vehicle. A car alarm is an electric device installed in a car to attempt to discourage theft of the car itself, its contents, or both. Nowadays, all modern vehicles are equipped with the self-care alarm systems, but for others, they should upgrade the level of security for greater peace of security. So if you want the one, we can help with some of the best in the business. Head over to the video description to know more about these featured products and links to buy them. Starting with number 7. Let's start this list with the Avital 533L. This comes with an LCD remote that can display warning icons when the doors, trunk, or hoods open. It has a shock sensor that utilizes warning chirps for minor disturbances and will trip the alarm if it detects more serious impact or disruptions. Also, most of the dual zone shock sensors have adjustable sensitivity to reduce false alerts or warnings. It has a dual zone impact sensor that detects blows or impacts to your vehicle. With this two-stage sensor that can react either with chirps or the full wrath of the siren. Moreover, this has a new XR and extreme range super heterodyne receiver that has an improved sensitivity specification of between 3 dBs and 6, which equates to a measurable range increase on the order of 15%. This car alarm has a dedicated A to D converter, which samples your vehicle's voltage hundreds of times each second, which eliminates the need for a tachometer wire connection. Number 6 is the Pyle PWD 701. This comes with a built-in relay for parking lights, 2 auxiliary outputs, plus many programming features. It includes 2 4-button transmitters and a status indicator LED, the valet override switch, dual-stage impact detector, and an anti-carjack function. Each transmitter button has 2 operating modes, which are standard and level shifted. The ignition-controlled lock feature allows the doors to lock when the brake pedal is pressed automatically, and automatically unlocks when the ignition key is turned off. Besides, it has the optional anti-carjacking feature that monitors the vehicle's doors while the ignition's on. The anti-carjacking function will trigger with progressively higher levels of alert. Another advantage is the fire-controlled locking feature may also be programmed for ignition lock without ignition unlocks and off. Number 5. The Omega K9 Mundial 4. This has 2 4-button 433 MHz code jumping transmitters and 2 remote transmitters that are door activated with anti-carjack transmitters. The activated anti-carjack panic current sensing secures the valet starter kill and relays the socket shock sensor with a pre-warning selectable siren or horn output. Also, it features multi-tone electronic sirens with programming loud or quiet confirmation chirps with a status LED. Besides, it provides a 2-stage electric impact sensor with positive and negative door trigger inputs, 18 programming security, and convenience. Moreover, it has a confirmation chip ignition that switches on and off and activates doors and unlocks them, with the last door arming auto rearm 30 or 60 second durations, with a multi-tone siren that's extremely loud. On the other hand, its shock sensor utilizes warning chirps for minor disturbances and will trip the alarm if it detects more serious impacts or disruptions. Number 4 is the Viper 5906V. This comes with a pair of keychain remotes, which are primary and a companion. The former is a 2-way and has a color OLED touchscreen, while the companion remote is a 1-way push-button version. Both work from up to a mile away, and 2 vehicles can be controlled from a single remote. This car alarm is compatible with Viper's Smart Start system, which adds smartphone and GPS tracking capabilities by an optional module. Auxiliary ports are also available for additional sensors, including tilt and glass brake. Number 3 is the Viper 5706V. The Viper 576V has easy-to-understand priority icons and a text screen on a LCD. It allows you to command and monitor the vehicle with prioritized and straightforward buttons. The 5-button control has up to 24 different functions on 2 cars and comes with one 2-way LC3 SST 1-mile range remote and a companion 1 long-range remote. Its remote start allows the vehicle's engine to be active without physical contact from the user. Moreover, you can receive visual confirmations from your vehicle's security system or remote start system via LCD remote control. However, it's equipped with a dual-zone shock sensor that utilizes warning chips for minor disturbances. It will trip the alarm if it detects more serious impacts or disruptions. Furthermore, it has a trunk release capability and remote control integration for OEM alarms or add-on trunk release systems. Second place is the Guard ECW NS. This offers a passive keyless entry feature that automatically unlocks the car door when you approach the vehicle in 3 to 6 feet. With a key fob, you can use the push start button to the car, and no need to insert the key into the ignition cylinder once correctly installed. Also, the remote engine can pre-cool the car in the hot summer and pre-warm it in the cold winter. Besides, the car horn will beep when the alarm's triggered. It has the latest RFID technology and touches password entry backup to improve the vehicle's safety level significantly. On the other hand, it fits for most DC-12V patrol cars, and professional car alarm installation is required. Finally, at the top of this list of best car alarms, we have the Avital 3100LX. You can control your system with 2 3-button Avital remotes with a range of up to 1,500 feet. It features a highly advanced alarm system to deter theft. The actuator responds to electrical signals from the alarm or keyless entry system that physically moves the vehicle's doors with a locking rod to a locked or unlocked position. Its LED system has a status indicator that will flash once per second to indicate that the system is actively protecting your vehicle. Moreover, it can also be programmed for passive arming. With the passive arming, the system automatically arms itself 30 seconds after the ignition has been turned off and the last door has been closed. I hope you enjoyed our work. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos.